Horses for the 13 Mayor Ramon Di Bagasing Senior Memory Cup Division 2 Stakes race. We've got Morning After, King James in the middle portion. Arias now is Trumpeter, Jungkook in fourth, Transform, Midnight Bell in sixth position. Now we have Trumpeter, the leader by a length. King James in second, Morning After moving up. Now Arias side, Jungkook. And in fifth comes Midnight Bell, Transform, Primavera, Marvelous Maxine, and Nisi Does It is running at the tail of the field. Racing down the backstretch, Erestel Trumpeter goes on by Hapalenga. And in second, still is the King James. Jungkook now moving up to take third. And in fourth comes Morning After. Midnight Bell still in fifth. Transformed and followed by Primavera, Easy Does It, and Marvelous Maxim. Erestel Trumpeter goes on by about 2 lengths. King James. Here comes the favorite. Jungkook on the outside together with Midnight Bell. King James, Trumpeter, Jungkook on the outside. Midnight Bell. The lead now belongs to King James, but moving up now on the outside is Jungkook. Midnight Bell, Transform also moving up on the outside as the field turns to the last 400. King James and Jungkook, Transform now on the outside. Midnight Bell, Jungkook, King James, Transform is on the outside as the field turns for Roma. Jungkook, Transform, King James is running by the ladder. It's now Jungkook, Transform on the outside. King James with Jungkook by Hapaleng, Transform on the outside. But it's still Jungkook, Transform on the outside. Jungkook moving up, Easy Does It, and finally Jungkook, Easy Does It, Transform. Then comes Midnight Bell, King James.
At ayan, bayang karerista, isang magandang karera ang ating natunghayan para sa katatapos na 13th Mayor Ramon Di Bagaching Senior Memorial Cup Division 2. Ayan yung mga 4-year-old and above local horses natin na pinanalunan ng liyamadong kabayong si Jungkook, numero 2, ginabayan ni Jackie Black Superman, Mark Angelo Alvarez. At ang
Indeed,
ating
partner.
datingan, partner, ang lakas din ng Easy Does It.
Oo, partner.
Na segundo. 2-9A, 6 at 3 yung ating unofficial order of arrival dito sa race number 2. Panoorin agad natin ang ating instant replay.